Probably no surprise to anybody that OBS just has better sound quality with the same equipment than Clipchamp. Your recording from this day going forward is going to be recorded in OBS simply because I'm not doing anything with the adjustments and I'm looking at the same Yeti mic, getting a much better, much deeper, much clearer product in OBS recording that I can drag and do the editing in Clipchamp still, but take advantage of some very clean audio and still do my editing. It's just one of those things that I'm going to have to incorporate into my workflow. So, here, right here and right now on the Ujamaa network, we're going to show you the difference. And I'm, again, no trickiness. I'm just going to show you and let you listen for yourself what you're hearing now on OBS and how it sounds in Clipchamp. Now, I didn't change the camera orientation like I normally would do while I'm using this Clipchamp for this section of the recording. What you're looking at and hearing right now is Clipchamp. And you heard how when I started this section of the video, it just sounded a little bit different from the first section. That's because without doing any editing or audio changes, this is what it sounds like naturally out of Clipchamp. So going forward, I'm just going to be using OBS to do my talking head sections and then doing the editing in Clipchamp until I, either find a better tool or whatever. But honestly, I like Clipchamp as far as what it does. It's just one of those things that you see and hear a difference in changing little aspects of your workflow. The only constant is change. And whether you're doing crypto or uh, whatever your hobbies are, always try to learn some new things. I think that is just a rule to live by, no matter what it is you're trying to accomplish in life. As I stated at the beginning of the video, there's just no comparison. The audio just sounds better. And it's because you have better controls within OBS than you do in Clipchamp. Again, not a slam to Clipchamp because the editing tools are far superior than what I can do off rip in OBS. And there's the familiarity with any Microsoft product. So again, it's not a slam against them, but this OBS app is designed to put out a better recording quality for all your content. It's just no comparison. So what I'm going to recommend is always do your recording in OBS. Drag the finished MKV video format into Clipchamp so you can do your editing. And then after your editing, export it and you have a great product. And taking advantage of all the add-ins, templates that you have in Clipchamp. Let me know if this is of any use to you in the comment section, and I will talk to you very, very soon.